Oh, I have been waiting to open this amazing bottle. 1985 Chateau Brion. Beautiful one. Excuse me.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Perfect. Cork feels nice. Can you are you busy?
I was gonna do 33.
Okay, yeah, you're good. Thank you. No, you're good. No, dessert's gonna be quick, so that's fine.
Especially with the way they fire.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great night. Thank you. Well, I went through the cork. Oh boy. Right. Very soft cork. Oh boy. Okay, the cork is definitely breaking, so... Okay. Okay, the cork is definitely shredding. Yeah. Okay.
You do the prep?
Can you do me a favor? Can you put Bordeaux's down?
Table 4?
Your table, table 2.
They ordered that?
No.
Bordeaux.
Yeah, you can take it from back there. Thank you. Just want to get these little pieces out. Alright, so cork broke. I don't know how much is in here, and I'm hoping to get the rest out. So I'm going to take my time, go through these things. Okay, we're in. Okay. Alright. Let's see if I can work a little bit of magic on this cork.
Whoa, went up off that.
Okay. Looks like we're good. We just got a little bit on the rim. So that's nice. Oh yeah, the bottom of that is just completely shredded. I mean, so soft. Wow. Okay, we got it out. Happy about that. Nice. Clean that up a little bit. We've got some pieces here. Hoping this color is fantastic. Maybe a little bit of cork come out. Okay, looks clear. Oh, what a gorgeous color. And the smell, I can smell it. I am so happy that that is good. That is great. Oh my. It's like the wilted roses and violets. And then you have that little bit of like spice in there. The minerality, you can smell the freshness. So nice. That's great. For an 85, wow. It's starting to get this like little bit of smoky kind of charcoal thing going on. Wow. I mean, the cork is a disaster. But man, that is stellar. Wow.